We salute una for outside the country people them big good afternoon. Inside we strong number them, we go take una go for Kilombo quarter. Now from Konsamba with the quarter day. Now for there was some man where they work for courthouse where they call him Aristide. He die after we get fight with girlfriend where he don't marry with uniform man too. Inside Torito for this afternoon. We go take una enter for Batang. Now for side for Bambutus or for inside Buddha. For inside the west region for that side. Now some man where they talk say he be thief. Some people them for side for Ambuda where population to one wake up this morning time where they don't knock and so they kill them. We go tell una too for Tori Palava for roads waiting where the new mayor inside Punjab again for the wait for do na Palava for dirty and Wawa road them people them they beg just now for enter on top this matter. Tori too we go talk as well they left Reverend Father Christopher Ebuka wey sese be dey na talk man for inside Mamfi Diocese. Sabi say they be levy for a Tuesday afternoon and e be dey na big lot for that side. So for Mamfi as we father he turn back for inside a workplace wey na for inside church. Tori go tell we too Palava for corona how many people them they get corona inside the whole world according to number they will get them from our own source una go sabi am. We go talk small bicycle race, we go talk to Ndamba and even newspaper them case for people them to the loss a day inside the Tori house this afternoon. Big people them talk in the tell we say no matter how we stick e grow for up sabi say e root e no fit ever left ground no matter the kind of way we stick e grow for up e root them they no fit ever left ground. Big people them talk na on Etuge Divine for Isokolo inside Limbe Fako division for Southwest region na he send am for we return back small time. We salute now again country people them afternoon Equinox Tori house Tori ide make we take una go for Kilombo quarters now for that side. So for inside Konsamba that bia we wanna see am so for ground country people them now the only thing that we will meet up am for place with some man where they call it say Aristide office clerk from Konsamba court for first instance and so he girlfriend for corner side where they call am say Clarice where he don't marry to some uniform man they be fight. Country people them we hear say fight it start like play inside this quarter where they call am say Kilombo as well that fight is start for inside house it dey show say Clarice e become for can talk for Aristide say this our corner side I no want time again make we stop am it dey show say Aristide no be one time so the thing them where Clarice e be don't buy am e be keep am for outside country people them now so e dey pack am one e enter house Aristide catch am e knock and so e lock door say make e no run comot after wey the girl last comot for outside who sabi wait to a woman them they sabi for do e so they can make the boy heart e dey burn for inside na so to Aristide comot for outside e continue the fight in the girl wey they call am say Clarice last all them two they comot with some kind of call them Aristide one of the see so country people them they tell we say last he wan go enter back for a house na that way check say dey so his skin blood e dey comot before he wan reach for hospital he die and Tori dey enter we ear say even Clarice e dey unconscious from Konsamba regional hospital as we Tori he enter for we ear so na palava for passe wey e can turn be na one way one person he die for Konsamba. For place where they call am say Betang na for inside Buddha for west region population to wake up this morning time na for meet up some die body where e dey for a roundabout for that side. So for Betang from Buddha according to where to enter for we here the die body where they meet up and for day they try for tell we say na some man will be joined with some group for people them where they be go thief for some police office where population catch am in Naka so they kill am. So people they wake up the morning time only meet up na die body for this party man for a place where una see am roundabout as we get that matter. We go take una enter for inside another side. Now this palava for work. We sabi say if we want talk say a field them for Cameroon for prepare for African Nations Cup 2022 or 2021 where they go play for 2022. All thing them it don't define, but now road this when a so part of the work them or part of the team that we get for help for this African Nations Cup with the ESA since for 2000 where they start the work for this road. Now for come out for Carrefour Nkolofulu so they pass through Baba, then you go for place where they call them say the Polo for East End for Yaoundé. This road that we don't get for don't finish the work since, but since where the work is start for the country people them for day then too they don't tire, they don't understand why they don't abandon the work. But for corner in the show pass say on the sea talk say want for enjoy the quota before he die, and with the year say the road if they fix am e go help for make am say make traffic in over there for sideway Ahmadu Aijo Stadium e dey. So now some sideway people they fit also pass enter for go for their different sides after we they finish look ndamba. But for corner in the show say walk in the go, but the walk in the slow na small and na one end this way in the show say this work them where they use am for prepare for this mandamba. Small fail it dey on top the matter as we wanna say una see on top that chapter for inside the Mongo division country people them now for tell una too say it dey so population for Penja Jombe Penja too they don't start for cry. They say the new mayor where they put it for chair make Isabi say plenty work it dey for ye. They say road them for quarter na lock mop say no better road in no day where it dey enter for quarter for side for Jombe Penja. Okada them two way they dey run with it plenty speed for the kind of place there they don't throw ground so someone they dey waka on top stone throw away people them for ground. So they dey talk say make the new mayor for inside town it check sensors wey go fix roads and open gutter hole them so that the population inside Njombe Penja they go fit for enjoy like the day inside their own village for sake say they road them they no dey fine at all plenty stone them and even waterway in the tunnel for all side. Another thing where they talk for the new mayor for do na problem for dirty wey e flop to for all corner na overside that for main roads. Una see am say dirty they don't pack am na for inside town for Penja wey e dey so na big problem country people them. They say a dirty and God no be na combi them and na way the people then too they beg just now say make the mayor is open the eye. We sabi say never overstay where they vote and put it for chair, but na for can continue the work the way Paul Eric King 11 for back. Even market itself for side for Penja una see am say dirty day for all corner. So one they say that the shit throw away and all the one them so now way the population don't talk say make the new mayor he look inside as way he go start for do work them for inside town. Make we hear some of these people them for Penja they talk for we microphone.
Mais it cannot self travel work up inside quarter. They see as the population get problem. All quarter na they see with the bed it cannot plenty. May travel self go for corner mayor, may mayor travel see with problem. You go see they see any play for quarter, any small 5 meters. Now they see any small 5 meters now they see. May it beg with the bed it cannot plenty. May travel work up for all quarter. You see how quarter there because new mayor where the inter so you don't know as it quarter there from Jombe Penja today. May yourself take some 1 week or 2 days you travel work for any quarter from Jombe Penja. May you see problem for the population and the population get problem.
My aunt will fit talk for you. The road for Sheferi Banwa. Now the bad road where we get them for the quartier. For the quartier so you take Okada, you go market. You fall down for that sutun. You tell Okada say let me for update. You reach your day, you go him for that. That's too late to throw people them. People they don't put that food for that road plan. Now you want say me solo me. Let fish with that road. Let fish with that road for Sheferi Bangwa. That's stone them. That's to make the fish that road for me.
We go take una one time we enter for different chapter for Tori for inside the Tori house. We come up from Penja. We enter for this other end. We na palava for this other for inside. We come to just now on top the matter country people them. We enter for the next element. We'll get for our country people them inside that Tori for this afternoon. So tell una we enter for the next element for this afternoon for talk. talk as we tori dey continue for inside Tori house here. As soon as sabi, we get palabatu for minister wey be go for outside, but before that one, Mama Tida, if we get our next element for inside Tori for. We fit get the elements we did for you before for inside with Tori house, yes, as so the talk on top a matter. Now this other way be happen for inside the gendarmerie for side for Bipanda. A consign na some case will be done report am for here. Na some man where they call it saying Jinwu we a tell on say be lost. Na for side for inside a Bipanda Omnisport, no be na for Bonaberi, organ Jinwu Emmanuel, and it show say na some woman e be last call them. And the case dey for gendarme people them. Now way dey so the family it be last go for gendarme office for side for Bipanda, and this other be dey for sika say the show say something it dey wrong for some one end. Either the uniform people them they sabi the person way he don't catch this man keep am, or maybe the man say he don't die, so now family he go ask question while they never continue for the investigate and who side the man dey, since na some woman wey they be sabi say he be last call this man whether the man don't die. Now for the gendarme people then to for talk on top the matter as we to really enter for we ear. So this order it be there for that end for Bipanda. Now for inside West Region, Minister for Sick People Oga Manauda Malashi he be there on a Tuesday as we hear them waka he be taking up for two places with the long motor the way they follow come. The first place na inside the new hospital where Governor he don't bill am for side for Bafusam. Oga Manauda Malashi he go see am with this machine where it is look person skin is sabi all thing for inside. Manauda Malashi don't talk say all the new thing the way they do for inside that hospital make the big man he look out say make na only people them where they don't train them, where they go touch all the machine, say make them no go bring people there where they never even sabi as for look at the machine them on top the matter. Now from there he come out, he go for regional hospital to for Bafusam for see on top matter for corona, and as well they don't inject people them. Surprise say inside more than 200 work people them for Bafusam regional hospital. Now only 60 doctor them they don't took injection for vaccinate for that side. So for inside Bafusam regional hospital, Minister too don't talk say make they look out sick people them fine, make them know the drive sick people them when they come when they no get money, make they fair look out them. So now the work that way minister be do inside West Region on Tuesday as we do now only 24 hours waka. Make we show now that machine better. Now machine where if your skin get problem you go just enter for inside, as so now this year you just enter for inside that machine, they go see all your skin, they go see which way they run for any corner. So now new one we enter for Bafusam. Minister to don't promise say they go open hemodialysis center for day, and even some center we go the follow up on top of vaccination as we come out. But sabi say as we minister be the turn for Bafusam for Yawende for inside Yawende na waka for vex we be there as we enter for day. Una go see am say moto e no be the cross pass na for Yawende General Hospital we have kidney sick people then say the block road again. They talk saying governor e dey overplay with their own sick as we according to them the machine we get for the look of them e no dey, even medicine e no dey, and governor hospital e don't give them some small percentage wey they no dey pay for go for private hospital for go the look of their skin na plenty money. Now for sick wide way the sick people they count from governor, and according to them just now governor he don't play them wayo on top this and look at their skin. Anytime they come out for outside they go talk say we go do, but after no nothing you know the show again on top this matter. So na problem we minister Seseb he get for look for inside the matter. Now as we tell you now, Reverend Father Christopher Ibuka he don't be a free man. Now that with glasses he dey like a zingraph. Yes, now he wear that glasses when a zingraph as well they used to call him for inside history book. Father he don't be outside for more than 1 week where he come out say make he go look other small church them before some people then Tiffy and the Okada man they go hide them. Sabi self say no be na the first father way the suffer the kind of one for inside this matter. Reverend Father Kennedy too, he too they be don't catch and knock and sote last they talk say make he pay small money, he family he pay Father Kennedy too don enter Sosongo just now. Na the Okada man that we he carry father we dey cash all them too. So all them they be free people them since on Tuesday as we tori enter for inside we here. As we people them feeling glad with father, na so too the glad it be continue from the bush from side where they meet up with the father direction na gendarme office for that side. So for Manfe we it dey so plenty people them where they be before side where they left father they come out they come na long convoy all man be the glad say last father Eboka he don't come out for the boys their hand but no ask me we never sabi whether for his own case they be pay money before the last levy but sabi say we be here say one of the people the way they be send and say make he go talk say make the left father they be only meet up die body after. So for father for come out in a Okada man na tiwo will never yet sabi if they be pay money too just as way they be pay time way it dey so Father Kennedy they be catch it too whippy underfoot before the levy for that side. So for inside the same Manfe diocese as well the talk Father Kennedy don't enter Sosongo they no sabi he go but sabi say this time Father Christopher Eboka way he come out too na talk man for inside the Manfe diocese and he go for go report who say be waiting they be doing and auditing he write statement for gendarme people them office for inside Manfe as we tori enter for inside we here. Now the glad this after I come out gendarme office direction na for church and glad it be dey too plenty. Yes, Reverend Father Christopher Eboka, we at the TV for more than 9 days. Una go sorry we una just live for follow it we talk. The very first talk with Reverend Father be talk. He been a talk man for Manfe Diocese. Make we hear the first talk after we come out with amateur image.
All things and for finish and thank God. For the 9 days, I be there with Armstrong. Armstrong, they come. Armstrong, I'm a kind of man when I go farming. Remember, I say, let me one go to the but I say, but I go to the actually, but they will kind of say, one go, you go for an hour. I go to no down on the if you want to go and ask people, guys don't hear for the one of the story. And I saw it today. Now Armstrong will be there for 9 days. He named Armstrong. That was correct.
Yes, the small one will be turn for Picam as will be the struggle to sabi say be then a big day for glad as we are Unasiam and notice ancestor for inside the Manfi as we they be glad with father. Another father he be talk and we go manage for your way to talk to. The image should be the shake. Una just put una ear for tele, una forget about the image.
For almost more than 8 days or 9, we don't pray. We ask ourselves so we'll see again. But the Christian belief, it talks about when we trust on God, He will make everything possible. When I reflect on this story of the book, it's really come from our minds. Now the stories of the early church, when Peter and Paul and friends.
We go come out on top the matter just now. We enter for different matter. Na palava for school as we picking the prepare for last exam the way they come. Sabi say time it don't the reach small for picking them for right exam for inside place where the column say Coupe Maningoba. Now the senior divisional officer Jean-Marie Chakwi where he says it tonton for inside the Coupe Maningoba division for some of the subdivisions them under for see as we this picking them they prepare for end for year exam. Now for college we go. Now for primary school, Jean-Marie Chakwi, it take time for talk for the teacher them and even the school picking them say they did now for burning corner just now. So now for them for prepare when they finish school, turn back for house, they finish, they learn, then they sleep, may they no play again, but may they look out, say now no be na time for overeat, now na time for she done, look thing where teacher be don't teach you and you start for prepare as we exam enough away. Primary own na first school living certificate and we sabi say the college own them they prepare for GCE O and A and baccalaureate plus other exam them way it comes more time. Some of the school picking they be talk for we microphone where Jacquino Molon put them for them up.
So, power for teacher them, some teacher they know they so they try for beg the government say may try for send we students there for GBHS bang them some few teacher them because we lack some teacher, especially the one they for science one they so and equipment there for science laboratory. We not get equipment there for science. We not get computer there. So practical for computer, you know it take place and even computer teacher them you know for the or they try for beg the LA them and the government for say may they try for low way, may they send way computer them and teacher them.
Only thing there for science laboratory they disturb we. Then also too with the beg the government say may help we for some equipment there for science laboratory, laptop them, computer and other kinds of things. So we need them for go on with further our studies them more.
And as we now don't hear the picking them talk and a zone where some one time can the show face after it disappears. So security we be get them too, some men them, uniform people then too, they be that turn up for corner and laboratory that way the show say maybe for long time they never open and for say no nothing. You know they for inside the computer we picking the talk, you know they day and even thing the way they use them for test whether Y it don't turn into Z or X, it don't turn into A, they no get them. So uniform people then too they day for corner now just so tell we say anytime any kind of thing will happen, we go frighten the picking them, but they don't prepare for this main exam. We go come out for Coupe Maningoba Waka enter for Mongo division for their neighbor. For inside Mongo division 2, Loom, Jombe Pinja, now so to the big people them for that side, they don't detonton for see as this picking them, they prepare for the last exam where they go the rights, when a public exam, when a that one go decide whether they go cross go for the other class or even one them where they the right wait for right term exam country people them so they don't talk for them. Palava for concentrate on top book just now the only thing they don't want people there they go to make like said over Sabi. So now even think that way the principal them they talk for them for all morning time when they meet up them after school after the general learning someone the day where they meet up after for evening for the house them for continue for the prepare but Sabi as well talk no be na time this or it. Now time for look wait teacher if you don't pay teach. So now the same advice we one big man inside one of the school that will meet up he began for picking say no be na time for read over but na time where they go call say make you revise team way teacher be don't teach you.
They will prepare exam 1 week before time. They prepare exam from the very first day. Now for that period where they must start preparing the exam. Now that we are just some day before the exam, I advise them, they go, they sleep well, and they learn, they read in the morning, read in the afternoon. They will not read in the morning, read in the afternoon, and read in the night.
And now which kind of chop will they picking the get for chop now?
Yeah, for chop, we don't tell them, say they must chop plenty fruit. We go for some place where fruit them they must chop plenty fruit in the morning. Just some light chop that will help them be alert when they are in their classroom. And after that, when they come back to the house in the evening, small chop with papa or mama don't cook, they can chop from nobody. They don't chop until we're heavy in the morning.
Okay, and we go enter for Corona just now. The latest update to get where we get concerning Corona inside the whole world. Country people them, we come up from Worldometer, 171,949,803 people where they don't get Corona since we come for the whole world last year. 154,461,285 people that already well, and 3,576,208 people that already die since Corona it come inside the whole world. For Nigeria on a Tuesday with it here, saying a 43 or 20 people then for Nigeria where they test them positive for inside this sick where they call them say Corona 17. 166,534 now the total where they don't get Corona since he enter Nigeria. 159,935 people where they don't welcome out. 2,099 people them they already die for Nigeria since we Corona it come. Country people them for inside Ivory Coast as well see 27 people them they catch Corona on Tuesday. 56 people them well. One person he died. 255 people they on top sick beds. 47,319 total people there they don't catch Corona for Ivory Coast since he enter for day. 46,758 people that already well, and 306 people them now the total that since Corona enter for Ivory Coast we they don't die as we at the same we number them this afternoon. We enter that now for Palaba for Ndamba for sports as well they finish at Tori for this afternoon. Sabi Seb say we man Ndamba team a day for prepare for inside Vienna concerning this Mbobo Damba where they get for play with Nigeria. It will be on Saturday, number 4 day for June. Country people them inside training way pass on a Tuesday will be catch even person like Eric Maxim Chupumutin where he don't turn back. Let her meet up it this time around and Sabi Seb say at the man team for now. No problem, they inside the country people them. Make we enter for Nigeria, we na the open them for Cameroon. As soon as Sabi, they go play na 2 different foot Ndamba. It means say the first one will come for number 4 day for this moon. The other one, it go be for number 8 day inside this moon country people then. So na 2 different Ndamba with Cameroon. It go play with Nigeria and the boys them 2 for Ghana draw. Them 2, they already enter for Austria. Them 2 they prepare. And it be then a special day for one of the player then 2. So oh man, he be join for talk. Happy Bonday for the player where we get Bonday for inside a camp. Now for Austria, country people them. Make we just see us so go finish story for this afternoon for talk some more. Bicycle race with some of the photo that we'll get them for week before. Sabi say for Limbe Lum, na this Bulgaria countryman, where they call it say Ivanov Borislav, he win the race, the 4th lap for that side. So he be there yesterday. And we get Kamzon Clovis Abesolo for Cameroon. We get now only 2 seconds for he for meet up the person where they wear yellow jersey. If Kamzon do better work today for inside Douala, then it go be the person where go the wear that yellow jersey. By the end of today, and the person where they wear yellow jersey just now some other countryman we come up from France in name Lionel Alexandre where he dey for number 1 place. He never win any of the race since we start for a Saturday, but he dey overall for number 1 place for the general classification with 11 hours 53 minutes 40 seconds. So today na Douala and make una expect say some road them they go block or they already block for say the bicycle people they inside Douala. This Wednesday newspaper as well the comot just for sabi na only the Guardian Post will get am, and for inside Guardian Post dem dey tell we say this palava for money wey dey thief am for lookout corona people dem for country. That one e don dey worry even government people dem as well dey fight. Tori to dey tell we 14,000 face masks wey custom people dem seize, and a combi dem for Kamto dey say the man e no prepare again for sit down on top chair as wey be one time according to the Guardian Post wey e dey talk that one this morning time inside their newspaper. Make we see the case for people there they don't lost. We get 2 lost case them for inside Tori House. We go start with the first photo. We'll go get them for outside the country people them. Now Gacha Yannick, we family the announce say don't come up for house since, and they know Sabisa way day. Oga Madam Bate Edwidge, e beg any man where you don't see Gacha Yannick for any corner. 675-646-155, 677-153-540, 675-491-976, or any gendarme police workplace. You fit also report say you don't see him for way he turn up for corner. Another case for loss this morning, this afternoon. His name na Takukam Wobiwo Alex. Takukam Wobiwo Alex. We too don't come up for house since. And Oga Wobiwo Kamte Eric Idibek say if you don't see this face for any site, 698 not 49 668 677 76 not 22 not 675-111-396. Number wey if use am for call family. They say plenty dash. It wait any person if you help them. We dey talk big thank you for Danny Warrenzede wey put a camera for me before this afternoon. Zefren Gondi, Malis, Mama Tida, all them they join hand for Tori for this afternoon. If Papa God agree, now for Thursday morning time again country people, wanna hold am tight for outside.